Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is all about this amazing hair growth recipe, and we are going to need just 3 ingredients for the recipe. We'll discuss them as we go along, so please continue watching. Our first ingredient for this recipe is bay leaves. Bay leaves are a natural conditioner, and they can also be used to fight bacterial and fungal infections. They can be used to treat dandruff and also dry, itchy scalps. They also help to stop hair loss, and they also help to promote hair growth. Put your dry bay leaves into a dry mill and add the next ingredient, which is a tablespoon of dry rosemary leaves. You can add more or less of the dry rosemary leaves. They are quite harmless as compared to cloves. Bring them into a powder form by blending. Rosemary helps to keep the nerves healthy, which in turn increases blood circulation to the scalp. It reduces hair fall and also promotes hair growth. It is also said to prevent premature graying. Transfer your powders into a heat-resistant container. Please make sure that your container has a lid. And add a carrier oil to it. I am adding olive oil. Mix well to make sure that the powders are settled in the oil. Next, place a towel in a pot. Then, place your container on it. After that, add the next ingredient, which is papaya leaf. Papaya leaves can help to regulate sebum, thereby maintaining a balance in moisture and oil on the scalp. This goes a long way to prevent dryness and fungal infections that can lead to baldness. And of course, you can add your papaya leaves before placing your container in the pot. Also make sure that your leaves sit in the oil as well. Cover your container with the lid and also with the other ends of the towel. Then, take your pot to the stove. The towel will help to trap some heat and store it for a longer period of time. Add water, light your stove, and let the water boil for some time. Make sure that the water touches every part of the towel, as it's going to help store heat for a longer period of time. When the water has boiled, you can turn off the heat and leave it to cool down completely. It took about 2 to 3 hours for this to completely cool down, and during that time I know that the oil has infused properly. When it has completely cooled down, strain your oil and it's ready for use. You can use it to massage your scalp for optimal results. And of course, adding an essential oil to this will just boost the effectiveness of the oil. So yes, go ahead and add your favorite essential oil. I added peppermint essential oil to this oil. You can also use these ingredients to achieve a hair growth spray. So add your bay leaves to a pot of boiling water and add your rosemary leaves as well. In this case, you can use fresh or dry rosemary leaves. Also add your papaya leaves and let it cook for some time. Cook until you notice a change in the color of the water. Then strain and use the water to keep your hair moisturized. You can also use it to rinse your hair on wash days. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.